Big news from India's space sector. It looks like we're just around the corner from witnessing the very first launch of a privately built PSLV rocket. That's right. India's workhorse launcher is getting a new lease on life. And the industry is buzzing with excitement, so what's the latest? The consortium of HAL and L&T, who took on the massive task of manufacturing the PSLV, has confirmed they've started delivering the hardware, their target, to launch the first privately built PSLV. Named PSLV N1, early next year, and they're not stopping there, they're aiming for at least 2. Maybe even 3 launches in 2025 alone. A.T. Ramchandani from L&T mentioned that everything is moving forward. The schedule, of course, depends on the satellites being ready and finding a spot in ISRO's busy launch calendar. The first mission, PSLV N1, is slated to carry an Earth observation satellite called EOS-10 into orbit now. You might be thinking, wasn't this supposed to happen sooner? And you'd be right. Initially, there was hope for a launch this year, but it seems the satellite payload wasn't quite ready. It's a classic space industry challenge. Everything has to align perfectly. Ramchandani admitted they faced some hurdles with a few components. But here's the great part. ISRO stepped in to help them sort it out. That's the kind of collaboration that pushes a nation's space ambitions forward. He said, "We're geared up for launch, and that's the confidence we love to hear." Let's rewind a bit. Back in 2022, ISRO made a strategic decision to commercialize the PSLV. After opening the space sector to private companies, this was a logical and exciting next step. The contract given to the HAL and L&T team was for manufacturing 5 of these iconic rockets, but it sounds like this is just the beginning. Ramchandani believes that ISRO sees a growing demand for launches. He even hinted that after these initial 5, they might end up building another 10. Think about that, a steady pipeline of privately manufactured PSLV rockets ready to serve the global market. Currently, ISRO is managing the payloads for these missions. But the long-term vision is even more ambitious. The plan is for the consortium to eventually build its own customer base, market its own launch services, and schedule missions independently. This is a huge leap towards a self-sufficient private space ecosystem in India. This model is a bit different from how the SSLV, or Small Satellite Launch Vehicle, was handled for the SSLV. ISRO made it clear from day one that private companies would have to produce the rocket and sell the launchers themselves, taking on the market risk. It's interesting to see these different strategies at play for different launch vehicles, and the market is already taking notice. Companies building satellites, especially heavier ones for communication and Earth observation, have already started reaching out to the consortium. These are satellites that are too big for smaller rockets like the SSLV or Skyroute's Vikram-I, making the PSLV the perfect ride to space. Confidence is key, and the team knows it. Ramchandani noted that after the first couple of successful launches, confidence will soar, both for them and for potential customers. They're not actively marketing their services just yet, but he says that's the very next step on their roadmap. It's a fly first, sell later approach that makes a lot of sense. This entire initiative marks a pivotal moment for India by entrusting its most reliable rocket to private hands. ISRO isn't just offloading production. It's empowering Indian industry to compete on the global stage. It frees up ISRO to focus on what it does best: pioneering research, deep space exploration, and developing next-generation technologies like the Gaganyaan human spaceflight mission. So, as we look towards 2025, let's keep our eyes on the skies. The roar of a privately built PSLV lifting off from Indian soil will be more than just a launch. It will be the sound of a new era in India's space journey. What do you think about this move to privatize the PSLV? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're as excited about space as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more updates on India's incredible journey among the stars. Thanks for watching.